Python program, container logistic cost as, sample. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. Scenario, 20 feet containers are stacked at Dhobi Ghat Bombay. Task, to move the container to the shipment yard, 2 containers above it must be removed and placed back on top after the container is retrieved. Costs. Removal and placement of containers, per move 2,500 rupees. Where total removal and placement of containers is 4. This cost applies to each time a container needs to be lifted off the stack and then put them back. Movement from Dhobi Ghat to shipment yard, 5,000 rupees. This is the separate charge for transporting your container to its destination. The cost of my container movement is 0 INR. Breakup cost for each movement, workflow. Container removals. Moving your container. Placing the container /s back. Placing the container /s back, total cost. Hashtag Python program open document. Hashtag result. Scenario, 5 20 feet containers are stacked at Dhobi Ghat, with yours being the third from the top. Task, to move your container to the shipment yard, 2 containers above it must be removed and placed back on top after your container is retrieved. Costs. Removal and placement of containers, per move 2,500 rupees. Movement from Dhobi Ghat to shipment yard, 5,000 rupees. The cost of my container cost is 0 INR. Total cost, 15,000 rupees. This Python program calculates the total cost of moving your container from a stacked position at Dhobi Ghat to the shipment yard. Here's a breakdown. 1 Functions. Calculate _total cost, container removal cost, container movement cost. Oh, this function seems to be missing from the provided code snippet. However, based on the context, it likely calculates the total cost considering the container removal and placement needs. 2 Main function, main. Provides a scenario description. You have 5 20 feet containers stacked at Dhobi Ghat, and yours is the third from the top. To move your container, 2 containers above need to be removed and placed back after yours is retrieved. Lists the relevant costs. Removal and placement cost per container move, 2,500 rupees. Movement cost from Dhobi Ghat to shipment yard, 5,000 rupees. The cost of your container itself is considered 0 rupees, presumably not relevant to this calculation. Defines constants. Container removal cost, cost to remove or place 1 container, 2,500 rupees. Container movement cost, cost to move the container from Dhobi Ghat, 5,000 rupees. Calls the missing calculate total cost function with the defined constants to get the total cost. This function needs to be implemented to calculate the cost based on removal needs. Prints the final total cost. 3 Missing functionality. The provided code lacks the calculate total cost function, which is crucial for calculating the total cost. This function should likely consider the removal and placement costs based on the scenario. Here's a possible approach. Since 2 containers need to be removed and placed back, the total removal and placement cost would be 2 container removal cost. The total cost would then be the sum of removal/placement cost, movement cost, and removal/placement cost again. Total cost equals 2 container removal cost plus container movement cost plus 2 container removal cost. For running the script. Similar to the previous code, the if __name _= main __ block ensures the code within it executes only when the script is run directly. Inside this block, the main function is called to initiate the program, calculate the total cost, and print the result. By implementing the missing calculate total cost function with the logic mentioned above, the program will accurately calculate the total cost for moving your container based on the removal and placement requirements. Python program specifications. Scenario, 5 20 feet containers are stacked at Dhobi Ghat, with yours being the third from the top. Task, to move your container to the shipment yard, Two containers above it need to be removed and then placed back on top after your container is retrieved. Costs. Removal and placement of containers, per move 2,500 rupees. Where total removal and placement of containers is 9. This cost applies to each time a container needs to be lifted off the stack, twice in this case, to access yours and then put them back. Movement from Dhobi Ghat to Shipment Yard, 5,000 rupees. This is the separate charge for transporting your container to its destination. The cost of my container cost is 0 INR. Total cost. Hashtag Python program open document. Hashtag result with input 9. Enter the total number of removal and placement of containers, 9. Removal and placement cost per move, 2,500 rupees. Movement cost from Dhobi Ghat to Shipment Yard, 5,000 rupees. Total moves, removal and placement of containers 9. Total cost, 27,500 rupees. Hashtag result with input 15. Enter the total number of removal and placement of containers, 15. Removal and placement cost per move, 2,500 rupees. Movement cost from Dhobi Ghat to Shipment Yard, 5,000 rupees. Total moves, removal and placement of containers 15. Total cost, 42,500 rupees. Hashtag about Python program. The provided Python program calculates the total cost of moving containers, including removal and placement costs, and movement costs. Here's a breakdown. 1. Functions. Calculate _total cost, removal placement cost, movement cost, total moves. This function calculates the total cost considering removal /placement and movement costs. It takes 3 arguments. Removal placement cost per move for removing and placing a container. Movement cost for moving the container from one location to another, example Dhobi Ghat to Shipment Yard. Total moves, total number of removal and placement moves required. It calculates the total removal and placement cost by multiplying removal placement cost by total moves. It adds the movement cost to the total removal and placement cost to get the final total cost. It returns the calculated total cost. Main function defines constants for removal placement cost per move for removing and placing a container, 2,500 rupees in this example. Movement cost to move the container from a specific location, 5,000 rupees in this example. Prompts the user to enter the total number of removal and placement of containers using input. Includes error handling using a try except block to catch potential value error if the user enters a negative number of moves. Calls the calculate total cost function with the defined constants and the user provided total moves to get the total cost. Prints details like removal /placement cost per move, movement cost, total moves, and the calculated total cost in a user-friendly format. 2. Running the script. The if __name _main block ensures the code within it only executes when the script is run directly, not imported as a module. Inside this block, the main function is called to initiate the program, prompting the user for input, calculating the total cost, and displaying the results. This program provides a more interactive way to calculate the total cost by allowing the user to input the number of removal and placement moves required for their specific scenario. Hashtag Python program open document. Hashtag about Python program. The provided Python program creates a pie chart to visualize the breakdown of the total cost associated with moving containers. Here's a breakdown of the code. 1. Imports. Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, imports the pyplot module from the Matplotlib library for creating visualizations. 2. Functions. Calculate total cost, removal placement cost, movement cost, total moves. Calculates the total cost of moving containers. It multiplies removal placement cost by total moves to get the total removal and placement cost. Adds the movement cost to get the final total cost. Returns the calculated total underscore cost. Generate underscore cost underscore pie underscore chart, removal underscore placement underscore cost, movement underscore cost, total underscore moves. Calculates the costs using the same logic as the previous function. Creates labels for the pie chart slices, removal and placement cost and movement cost. Creates a list of values for the pie chart slices using the calculated costs. Defines a pie chart using plt.pie. Values, the list containing removal and placement cost and movement cost. Labels, the list containing corresponding labels for the values. Autopt equals %1.1f%. This formats the value labels inside the pie chart to display percentages with one decimal place, example 34.5%. Start angle equals 140, this rotates the starting angle of the pie chart by 140 degrees counterclockwise. Sets the title of the pie chart to cost breakdown. Displays the pie chart using plt.show. 3 main function, main. Defines constants for removal underscore placement underscore cost, cost per move for removing and placing containers. Movement underscore cost, cost for moving containers from a specific location. Total underscore moves, total number of moves required. Calls the generate underscore cost underscore pie underscore chart function with the defined constants to generate and display the pie chart showing the breakdown of total cost between removal / placement and movement costs. For running the script, the if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore block ensures the code within it only executes when the script is run directly, not imported as a module. Inside this block, the main function is called to initiate the program and generate the cost breakdown pie chart. Overall, this Python program demonstrates how to calculate moving costs and visualize the cost breakdown using a pie chart with Matplotlib. Details of the pie chart. Pie chart, cost breakdown. The pie chart titled Cost Breakdown represents 2 categories of costs as portions of a whole. Here's what we can infer from the chart. 1. Removal and placement cost. The larger section of the pie chart, colored in blue, represents the removal and placement cost. This category accounts for approximately 88.2% of the total cost. Removal and placement costs are likely associated with activities such as moving or relocating items, whether within a home or between locations. 2. Movement cost. The smaller section of the pie chart, colored in orange, represents the movement cost. Movement costs constitute approximately 11.8% of the total cost. These costs may be related to transportation, logistics, or any expenses incurred during the actual movement of items. In summary, the pie chart visually illustrates how these 2 types of costs contribute to the overall expense structure. Removal and placement costs dominate the budget, while movement costs play a smaller role. Thank you.